chân miệng
Let's
nào
go,
đây?
my baby boy. Ready, come here. Come here. Look, come here. Give the bird food, yeah? Give the bird. Hey, bird, eat the food. Look. You can have some bread, please.
Andy.
Bring the bread. Andy. Bring the bread for me, please. Bring the bread for me. More bread is coming, yeah?
Yeah.
Into the video. Continue, I'm coming. Not too much. Bring it for me. Quick. No, give it to me. Okay, come here. What? My God.
Úi trời ơi.
Hey, come here. Hey, big duck. Come here. Andy, give it to the duck. Big duck. Give it to them. Hey, do you like to feed? You stay here. I'll do the video. You can stay with Andy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, give it the bird to the food. Let's go. No, give it to him. Stay with him. I'm sorry, just like. This is Andy's favorite car, which is called rubbish collecting car. So this is Andy's really favorite car. And at the moment he is here, he's watching the rubbish collecting car. Wow, the car. Oh yes. Yes, Andy liked this car because this is the rubbish collecting car. You came here before? You came here before?
Yeah, I know.
No? This is quite a lovely place. This is summer sunshine weather.
Yeah.
Then you can come here and
It's very nice
enjoy.
weather today.
Yeah, sit down and because the winter you cannot enjoy the place.
Yeah.
But sunshine is okay. Otherwise winter very cold and very bad situation. But this is quite okay. Look, Andy giving the food and all the birds coming to take it to him. He's taking more food and give it to the bird. Andy, look, so many birds here. Look.
À em được rồi. Em được.
Andy taking the bread again and give this to the bird, and bird catch him. Oh, it's a nice bird.
Thôi này, thôi, đó là let's go.
No, well, we'll feed all, but not now. We have to wait for a few minutes. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
We all fine.
Andy enjoying the place, you know? Can you give the bird to the bread? Yeah, duck, give the bread to duck. Ooh. Go to mama, ask for the bread, look. Go to mama and ask for the bread. And mama give him a bread. Yes, you got a bread, Andy, going to throw it maybe. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we can all be there on Wednesday, and then Thursday we can be like. Let's see what I can find.
Andy. Look at Papa. Papa, take photo. Look at Papa.
Look at that.
Andy.
And
Oh, very good. Hey boy, you like duck?
Okay.
How many duck here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 duck. Oh my God, look. Hey duck, how are you?